Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to AR glasses, they have always had this issue that they either look too bulky, they have this futuristic look, or you need your phone and cables in order to make them work. Well, these are the brand new INMO AIR3, and they take a totally different approach. My name is Santi, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're gonna be reviewing this right here. These are the INMO AIR3, and they're pretty cool. This is the world's first all-in-one AR glasses with a 1080p full-color optical waveguide display. And the best part is that you don't need no cables or a phone to use them. You just put them on and go. Now, the first thing that you notice is the design, because they actually look like eyewear, a flat lens style, sleek, low profile, and you don't have no dangling cables, no external battery pack, no phone tether, and everything is a built-in processor, storage, display, making it a true all-in-one wearable. And that changes how practical AR becomes in your everyday life. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where it gets very serious. The Air 3 uses a Sony Micro OLED display, delivering a full 1080p resolution with up to 600 nits of brightness, and that means that you get sharp visuals, strong color accuracy, and importantly, a visibility even outdoors. Now the glasses use a one-dimensional expanded exit pupil waveguide, which helps keeps the visual ultra clear while protecting the privacy, so people around you, they can't see what you're seeing. And with a 36-degree field of view, it creates an effect of massive 150-inch virtual screen floating right in front of you, and it feels less like a small projection and more like a personal cinema. Now, when it comes to the performance and multitasking, inside is powered by an 8-core Snapdragon XR processor with an 8GB RAM and 128 gigs of storage, and that allows for a smooth multitasking. So that means that you can watch a video, you can check your messages, or have TikTok open, or you have your documents, whatever you want to do, all inside your field of view. And that floating screen doesn't follow your head, it just stays fixed in space using the 3D OF positioning, which feels surprisingly natural. Now, when it comes to controlling it, instead of looking very awkward with air gestures, you can control everything using the 3D OF Smart Ring or a separate remote control that comes with it, and you get 3 interaction modes like the button and touchpad, the ray interaction for precision control, and the mouse style interaction that's similar to using a tablet. But not only that, you can also connect your keyboard and your mouse via Bluetooth with no problem. Now, I think this is gonna make sense if you're gonna be outdoor viewing, watching YouTube or Netflix on a giant screen without holding anything. Or remote work, you can connect to your PC and manage documents with a virtual keyboard. You can also do cloud gaming, and it feels like you're playing on a 150-inch display, and even vlogging thanks to the built-in 120-degree ultra-wide camera that captures more of the scene around you. And because everything is self-contained, it feels portable and not experimental. So I think the INMO AIR3 is not trying to be a flashy concept. I think it's trying to be an AR wearable for everyday life, with an all-in-one operation, with the 1080p Sony Micro OLED display, 150-inch cinematic experience, Snapdragon XR performance, smart ring and remote control, and a built-in camera. So if you have ever been curious about AR glasses but didn't want something that's bulky or phone dependent, I think this is one of the more practical implementations that I've ever seen. So I think these AR glasses, INMO AIR3, are absolutely phenomenal. Are they better than Meta glasses? Yes, I can tell you in my personal opinion, yes. You can do anything that you want to do on your phone, you can just do it in your glasses, and nobody can see what you're looking at. It's just for yourself. You can use it with the remote control, or you can use it with the ring, and all you have to do, put them on, turn them on, connect to Wi-Fi, and start using them right away. So if you are interested in getting a pair of these for yourself, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If AR glasses look like this, would you wear them every day? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.